Hi, this is Don Nelson, editor of the Additive Report and host of the Additive Manufacturing Minute. I am here at Rapid and TCT 2021. I'm at the booth of Stratasys talking to Evan Hochstein. And a big theme for Stratasys at this show is 3D printing anatomical models.
Yes.
What can 3D printing bring to the anatomical models that other methods cannot?
Absolutely, that is a great question. So where 3D printing is really a big differentiator in the market compared to traditional manufacturing is the ability to create complex models that are going to have multiple materials in them. So what you see here in this model is actually going to be a very simple STL. It's just going to be an outline of a vertebra, exactly like you see the outline here. But 3D printing can actually generate a complex interior structure using Perlin noise, and then we can actually practice before a surgery with soft tissues, hard tissues, into a real model, so that we're not doing it for the first time on a real patient, a living patient.
All right, well, thank you. And you know, I have to say, this is the coolest booth here.
Thank you.
And one of the reasons is because you have an adult-sized version of the game Operation, which I used to love as a kid. And if we could just even get 5 seconds of this, it would be worth it.
I'm going to try it.
Yes.
All right, that was good. Mainly medium.